us.
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Cherry Beach, a beautiful spot located in Toronto, Ontario. This charming area is part of the larger Tommy Thompson Park, which is a man-made peninsula that stretches out into Lake Ontario. Cherry Beach is a favorite destination for both locals and visitors, offering a perfect mix of nature and outdoor activities. The beach got its name from the cherry trees that once grew in the area, adding a splash of color and beauty to the landscape. Although the original cherry trees are no longer there, the name has stuck, reminding us of the area's past. Cherry Beach has a rich history, having been a popular spot for recreation since the early 20th century. Today, Cherry Beach is known for its sandy shores and clear waters, making it an ideal place for swimming, sunbathing, and picnicking. It's also a great spot for biking, with scenic trails that offer stunning views of the lake and the city skyline. The area is well loved by dog owners, as it's one of the few beaches in Toronto that allows dogs to roam freely and enjoy the water. In addition to its natural beauty, Cherry Beach is surrounded by lush greenery and offers a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. It's a perfect place to relax, unwind, and enjoy the great outdoors. Whether you're here to soak up the sun, take a refreshing dip, or simply enjoy a leisurely bike ride, Cherry Beach is a wonderful destination that showcases the best of Toronto's waterfront.